Masked men hurling rocks, tear gas thickening the air. Protesters hurt, riot police too. These scenes almost the norm now as Greece stumbles from one austerity vote to the next. Behind the violence that captures the headlines, though, more subtle signs of societal decay. Garbage piled up on the streets, municipal workers now refusing to take it away. The perfect fuel for rioters. And this was a huge demonstration. At least 70,000, say police, on the first of a two-day general strike. Greeks, from students to pensioners, who say they see little to live for in their debt-crippled country.
There are no jobs anymore. The jobs that we can find are for 300 euros. A family can't live with this money.
I'm here because those punks in the parliament have destroyed my children's lives, this man says. Marching to mark their anger at the situation they find themselves in and the way they're viewed elsewhere in Europe.
We are not lazy. We are not lazy. I'm 62 years old and I have worked in 120 years. 120 years. Tell to the Germans and Mrs. Whatever's her name. Merkel, we are not lazy. They're lazy. They take our blood.
Soon, though, these demonstrators are forced out of the square as the rioters move in. The end of a day of protests, an uneasy standoff between demonstrators and police, just as there is an uneasy standoff between the people of this country and their politicians, between Greece and the rest of Europe. Diana Megne, CNN, Athens.